Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to extract name from email address by using flash fill. In this Excel sheet, we have few email IDs. If you want to extract the name from these email IDs, we can use flash fill. Let's type the first name and the last name. Press Ctrl E, we'll get the names extracted from these email IDs. If you want to have a different pattern, the last name, comma, first name, we can get the results in this way as well by pressing Ctrl E. We can get the initials as well, say K, the initial from the first name and the second name. Ctrl E will give me the result like this. We can extract only the initials as well. The first name initial and the second name initial. We'll press Ctrl E, we'll get the result. This way, we can use flash fill to extract the names from email IDs. Thank you so much for watching this video.